As the source manufacturer of keyboards and mice, the keyboards and mouse we produce are absolutely high-quality products. We are committed to providing our users with a comfortable and convenient experience. Our keyboards and mouse are of high quality, affordable price, stylish appearance and are well received. Recently, there have been many hot topics about mouse, including the development of mouse technology, ergonomics. There are also various innovative designs. Our keyboard and mouse are designed based on these needs, whether you are working or playing. Our products can meet your needs and make you feel more convenient than ever before. In addition, we also keep up with the trends of the times and pay attention to various hot topics and events. If you like what is happening in technology, games, music, etc., we can provide you with more content and suggestions to make your keyboard and mouse more closely connected to your life.